Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the zigzag stitch crochet pattern. You can see how it creates a fun design in your work. For this pattern, you'll need to know how to do a single crochet and a half double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 4 plus 3. For this video, I'm just going to do a quick 11 chains. So once you have your chains, you want to start off by chaining 2. And in the third chain from the hook, you want to work a half double crochet. And then you will work half double crochets all the way to the end of the row. Alright, that finishes row 1. So row 2, we're going to do exactly the same thing. So we're going to start off by chaining 2 and half double crocheting in every stitch till the end of the row. Row 2 also starts the repeat for this pattern. So when you're creating this project, you will repeat rows 2 through 7 to get your desired size and border if you wish. And that is row 2. So row 3 is where we'll start working above and below for crocheting. So to start off, you want to chain 1 and you want to single crochet in the first 2 stitches. Next, you'll work a single crochet below in the row below. So locate where you want and go ahead and loop through, pull through 1, pull through 2, just like you would with a single crochet. And then you'll work 3 single crochets in the next 3 stitches. Now keep in mind, when you do the stitch below, you don't work the stitch above, so that stitch right there will not be worked at all. So again, locate where you want to go for your stitch below, insert your hook, pull through, and pull through 2, making sure that you leave enough room and tension that you don't have your work too tight. We're going to skip that one, and we're going to work 3 single crochets. And in the last one, we will not work in the last single crochet, but we will work in the stitch below, creating that single crochet. It's just longer in the tail, I suppose. And that is row 3. So for row 4, we just chain 2 and we half double crochet all the way across. Now the secret to this pattern is when you do the crochet below, you definitely want to make sure that you don't work the single crochet above as well. It seems a little odd to leave it unworked, but because you're doing a stitch below, it actually creates a single crochet stitch for you to work in for your next row. Alright, now that we have row 4, we're going to work row 5, which you start off by chaining 1 and working a single crochet. Then you'll work a stitch below. Again, making sure not to work the stitch above that you just did below, and you'll single crochet in the next stitch. So again, it's a stitch below, single crochet in the next stitch. Stitch below, and single crochet in the next stitch. And we'll repeat this until the end of the row. Now keep in mind when you're working that you definitely don't pull your string too tight. For me, this was a little bit of a challenge because I'm used to having my tension of my yarn super tight. So you just have to relax with this one. So here we are, single crocheting in the last stitch, You can start seeing that zigzag design appear. So for row 6, again, super easy. We're just going to chain 2 and we are going to work half double crochets all the way to the end of the row. Alright, we will turn our work, and this will be row 7. So we will chain 1, and to start off, we're going to go ahead and work 1 stitch below. Then we will single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Followed by doing a stitch below. Working 3 single crochets. And working a stitch below. And then finishing off by working 2 single crochets. And again, you'll want to repeat rows 2 through 7 to get your desired size and design for your zigzag crochet pattern. You can see how fun this is and how it ends up turning out. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.